So today's video, we're going to be shooting Hornady's Subsonic 147 grain 9mm. This has a listed velocity of 975 feet at the muzzle. Don't know what length barrel this was tested out of, but we're going to see what we get out of a 2-inch barrel Taurus G2C. Going to shoot it through 2 layers of denim on ballistics gel, see what kind of expansion and penetration we get. Water jug for transfer of energy, and a couple of other things for some cool slow motion video. So let's see what it do. So we got full pass through on 18.5 inches of gel, 1.5 inch wide damage at the widest, and caught it in this box of fleece. Didn't go too far in, so I think the over penetration risk is probably minimum. I'm gonna have to come up with some way to test for over penetration, but did a good job. So for this Hornady Subsonic, I'm going to start off with the good. It was very consistent and reliable. It was only 7 feet per second standard deviation. And out of my subcompact pistol, it was only 63 feet per second below listed velocity. It expanded at low velocity, which was actually surprising to me. And even though it penetrated over 18.5 inches of gel, I don't think the risk of collateral damage is very high. It barely went through the cardboard on the box of fleece. And you get 25 rounds instead of 20. Those are the good things. For the bad, the expansion, even though I was happy to see it expand, the expansion was not great. It caused minimal wounding in ballistics gel. I think out of all the testing that I've done, it was comparable to mid-level 380 damage. I wouldn't carry this in my compact pistol. There's better options. If I wanted a heavy bullet, I'd carry a 124 grain. But I think what it's designed for and will be better suited is for shooting suppressed out of like an AR-9 or a carbine. I think the extra barrel length will get it up to its intended velocity. You know, I think it would do great. I plan on doing more testing with other 147s to see how they stack up, if this is common amongst them, or, you know, maybe put them to the test and see which one does better. But that's my conclusion after shooting this round. Feel free to let me know your opinions in the comments. Thanks for watching.